Alright, this is our third video on adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. Why don't you pause the video and give this one a try if you feel like you're ready for it. Alright, hopefully you gave it a try. If you're here just to learn, that's fine too. Today, in this video specifically, we're going to talk about the specific steps we do. So as we go through this, we're going to talk about the steps. So the first step we always do is I'm going to say you want to rewrite, and we're going to say rewrite vertically. So we're going to go 3/10 minus 1/4. Okay, and that is rewrite, not rewrite. Rewrite vertically, and that's really important because we want to be able to just write our equivalent fractions directly on parallel and then subtract. It keeps us from having to do too much crossing out and completely rewriting. The second thing we want to do is find our denominator. So we're going to find common denominator. I'm just going to say denom. That's what we're going to do for short. So we're going to use our little chart right here, and we're going to find our common denominator. And I just want to point out that, at this point you might have this habit of just multiplying denominators and saying that's a good common denominator. And, sometimes that does work, but it doesn't always give us the lowest one, which a lot of times is simpler, right? Smaller numbers are simpler. So we're going to say, okay, 10, 4, and we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, and look at 40 is on there, but let's see, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So what is our least common denominator? The one that's actually 20. So we know we're going to now change both of these fractions. We're going to rewrite them as fractions with denominators. So that'll give us our third step, which is rewrite with common denominator. So I'm going to say, okay, well, 3/10 equals something 20ths, and 1/4 equals something 20ths. Well, let's see, what did we do to get to 20ths? Over here we did times 2, so we're going to do times 2. That'd be 6/20ths. And then over here we do times 5. Times 5, same thing to the top and bottom, and we get 5/20ths. So now we have our new equation, which is 6/20ths minus 5/20ths. Get my answer for 1/20. And that would be my solution, okay? So, just to review our steps, one is rewrite vertically, so top to bottom. Second one is find the common denominator using our t-chart over here, just listing all our multiples. And then the last thing is to rewrite with common denominators, so rewrite it. And then we could say even our last step, if we wanted to write it, find solution. Right? We could say add or subtract. Right? Just basically do the problem. Right? So that is all for this video.